Good afternoon. Today is Monday, February 26th. This is going to be a very, very busy week, so it is important that you are taking care of everything that you need to school-wise. Math, we're doing practice 10.3 plus page 281, problems 19 through 24. All right, module 10 quiz will be on Wednesday. In science, all right, you have a crossword puzzle. Earth's organism quiz is on Wednesday. So right there, we've got two quizzes coming up Wednesday. Social studies, there is no homework, but I believe we are going to have a quiz at the end of the week, if not the first part of next week. Language arts, Watson's Go to Birmingham. We've got to do our chapter notes for 12 and 13. And then you also have to just write one journal, either 12 or 13. That is your call. End of this week on Friday, we'll have our final Watson's Go to Birmingham test. In literature, AR points are still due. They are due actually 2 weeks from this Friday for the third quarter. You need to be studying your vocab. Our Freedom Walkers final test and our final vocab test will be this week. So please make sure you're staying on top of things. Do not slack off. Do not get behind. It is going to be a very busy week. That's all we got for now. Take care. Have a good night.